One of the students keeps causing trouble with the stapler, but I've got a solution. We're gonna put the stapler out of reach. So, we gotta squeeze it gently into this balloon, because you can't get to the stapler when it's inside the balloon. Now, we need it to be properly inside though, not just hanging in there. There's gonna be a popping noise. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, 0. Now, let's inflate this thing and see what we've got. Ha ha! One stapler that no students can staple with. Have a great day.